If you're looking to batch record and upload course content efficiently, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, saving you tons of time and effort. The key to batch recording is preparation. Before you start recording, outline all the content you want to cover for your course. Break it down into digestible sections, focusing on one specific topic per video. This helps you stay on track and avoids wasting time. Start by creating a bullet point list or a rough script so you can keep everything organized and avoid any rambling during your recording. Next, set up your recording space. Make sure your lighting is good, your microphone is clear, and you're in a quiet space. You don't need an expensive setup to get started. Just make sure the basics are covered. Once you're ready, start recording the first video of your batch. Record multiple videos in one sitting. This is where the batch recording magic happens. This will help you stay in flow and not break your concentration. When recording, use a teleprompter or your bullet points to stay on script. This helps you keep your content crisp, clear, and concise. The software we're using in this video will help you record without distractions. It lets you jump between topics without having to redo sections or constantly adjust settings, which really speeds up your process. Once you've finished recording, it's time for uploading. Here's where batch uploading comes in handy. Instead of uploading one video at a time, upload multiple videos at once. Make sure to organize them into folders on your computer, named clearly by the section of your course they belong to. When you upload, set everything to upload in batches. This saves time rather than doing each one manually. Some platforms even let you schedule these uploads so you don't need to be there while it happens. Also, remember to add all your metadata, titles, descriptions, tags in bulk if your platform supports it. This makes everything streamlined and ensures your content is easy for your students to find. By using software designed for course creators, you can even automate a lot of these tasks like uploading, titling, and tagging. If you want to follow along with the software I'm using, check the description below for an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel. The key takeaway here, batch recording and uploading your course content is all about preparation, staying organized, and using the right software to streamline the process. It's as simple as preparing your content outline, recording efficiently, and uploading in bulk. Remember, if you want to follow along with the software I'm using, make sure to grab that exclusive free trial linked in the description below. To quickly recap, prepare your content outline, batch record your videos, and use the batch upload feature of your platform. Keep everything organized to save time and effort. That's all you need to do to batch record and upload course content efficiently. Thanks for watching.